Here we take a look at Fetch. We've been just killing this thing over in Discord, trading it. You can see here, it looks like a big 1, 2, 3, 4 right back on top of 1 right here, and a fifth wave up here. All right, now if we zoom in here a little bit, we're going to take a look at some of these moves going on inside here, particularly what we've been trading over there. Had 180% profits just on this one push up. Re-entered down here. We'll get into that in a second. I want to show you guys the crypto bubbles over here. Show you what's going on. Bitcoin's up about 500 bucks for the day. There's SUI up 15.6%. That thing's looking great. Hopefully that is a leader in the market, and that's showing what's going to go on here. Look at FTT. What is going on with FTT? Is this just a retracement? It's up 70% for the week. Unbelievable. I'm going to have to look at that chart and check that out. That thing has been really moving. Where's Fetch? Fetch right here. 4.4 for the week. For the week, it's actually... Or wait. That ain't Fetch. I apologize. I was going to say, what the heck? Fetch. ASI. Oh, that's right. That's right. They all joined together, right? I forgot about that. All right, so for the day, it's up 4.4%. For the month, 40.9%. For the week, it's actually in the red, 4.4%. That's kind of hard to believe, the moves this thing's been making, but it is what it is. All right, we're going to go right back over there. Take a look at Bitcoin real quick here. We had a box for a pull down area in this thing, and it came down and has bounced right off in that zone, bouncing right up here. All right, Bitcoin, as far as this thing is looking, is this a fifth wave starting here, or is this a retracement off of this move right here? That's the big question here. If we come out here and put a fib on here, you can see we're getting right up into them levels at 618,702. There we go. We're on the bottom now. So this is going to tell a lot right up through here. A break of this area. It depends on this thing moving higher, right through here. I mean, you got to break this zone to get this thing to go higher. 4-hour RSI is actually trying to turn back up. Okay, the 8-hour, 94 to 98. You do get a little bit of bearish action there on the 8. The 12 is still heading up, looking good. Your daily. The dailies just started up on this thing, okay? So, could have some more upside here with Bitcoin. If it breaks through this 618,702, this thing could break out of this wedge, all right? The target would be up at 70,500, and that would be a break of this massive wedge we got going on here, all right? So that would be pretty huge, obviously. That would definitely get the market going. I've been talking about this for a long time, expecting a break to the upside, a fifth wave up to the upside here. So we'll see what happens, but Bitcoin is looking pretty good. Now, as far as Fetch goes, if we zoom in, I'm going to show you guys what's going on 1 hour. All right, you can see this thing was wedging up here. This yellow line coming down and this yellow line coming up. You can see a wedge was starting on it. All right, the measured move of that wedge. And we put this out in Discord. I'm sure everybody got in. We got in right back down here on support. Jeez, man, I'll tell you what. When I ended up selling last night, it was around, I don't know, I guess right around here. But anyway, I got back in and I was up almost $300 in profit right up here. And then this thing came back down here. So now I'm only up about, I think about 50 bucks right now. But if this thing heads the whole way back up here, I'll be up over $400 for this one move here. Took 180% profits last night up here. Now looking for a push up here. All right, now the measured move on this thing. All right, if we get the measurements, bring it up here. Would be so. Now if we take a fib, put it on here, pull it down to the bottom. Kind of matching up, huh? Pretty close. Up towards $1.60 if it holds and if it heads up there, right? Nothing's a guarantee, but that's what I'll be looking for up here, up in this area. It's not 100% that it's going to hit that box. Sometimes it hits it, sometimes it falls short, sometimes it goes through it. You just never 100% know, so you're better off just taking your profits when you get close up here. All right, but looking for that push up here, and that should all complete. That would be one wave here. That I believe will be a third wave. Let's come out here. Yeah, 1, 2. This will be a third wave on this particular move right here. But on this bigger move, you can see this would be the start of a fifth wave coming up here. So this could be a really big move. That's what I said to the people in Discord yesterday. What do we do here? Do we trade the waves up? Or do you just stay in? Right down here is where we got in the first move. Right there, that box. That's where we entered the trade. Right, the bounce, the retracement, entered right there, and I've been riding it up pretty hard ever since. I'm on a 25x, so we've made nice money so far. But if you cash in on every wave, then your wallet size goes up, then the profits are bigger on the next push. But you got to be careful there too. An entry way down here is a nice entry to have. You're in some serious profits up through there. Now, as far as the RSIs go, the 12-hour is still heading up. The 8-hour is flipping around at the top here. Still low down here, though. Look, it's at a 51. All right, so that is telling me that we could have some more upside here. The RSI is not very oversold on the 8-hour yet. The daily, it looks fantastic. All right at the very bottom here. All right, and your 3-day is trying to turn back up. You can see the push up on the bottom here, and your 5-day. The 5 days at the top here, 83 and an 88. It's actually bearish. Right, weekly, right at the very top also, and look at that monthly. The monthly is just starting towards the upside. That's what I mean. If there's a bigger move in this thing starting, say we get our alt season, nothing's a guarantee, right? Nothing is guaranteed. But if we get our alt season, and this is a big 5-wave move happening out of this thing. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly a 5 to the up. And that would be a massive move, right? Just off of this falling wedge here. I know we have our targets up there around the $1.90s, but this thing should come back up, 242 to 265. That's 618702, and this is on a weekly chart. Each one of these candles represent a week. All right, so there's a lot of time in here. But if that Bitcoin dominance gets up there, rolls over, this thing could really make a move here. No question about it. But right now, like I said, we're watching for this $1.59, $1.60 area to come in for this push right here. Then we'll reevaluate after that and see what happens here. Okay, so keeping an eye on Fetch. You got that 1-hour RSI almost at the bottom and reset here. The 30-minute is turning to the upside, and the 15-minute is also turning to the upside. Could have a 1-2 retracement coming right here. Be watching for a bounce out of this thing. All right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come over and join us on a level 3 membership. That gets you over 20 videos to teach you how to start trading, and a link to the Discord to come trade with us. All right, would love to have you over there. So this $1.55 area, do want to tell you that is a major area to break here. You can see these wicks up into there. Major area for this to take out. That has proved to be a pretty good resistance area. 1, 2, 3 hits. Rejections all 3 times, so definitely want to see a bust through there. Thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon.